Hey, welcome. I'm setting off in the 2017 Ford Focus RS. Just did a little bit of basic maintenance on it. My stock fuel pump was just making a really loud tapping noise. It might be normal, but I've been running like 93 and E85 through it, so I was like, oh, maybe I should just change it. It wasn't too bad, so it was only like 120, 130 bucks. Sorry if the camera's all shaky, but I have it mounted to the front window. So I'm just gonna take a cruise around the area I live in, and maybe you can hear a little bit of turbo sounds, and just make sure everything's working right. It didn't look like I had any fuel leaks or anything like that, so should be good to go. So like I said, just taking a cruise around, probably about maybe 10 minutes or so, and yeah, make some cool turbo sounds. Those of you that don't know, put a little bit of work into this. It's basically full bolt-ons with different, not injectors, but coil packs, big front mount intercooler, aftermarket, not exhaust, but intake. It came with a Borla exhaust, so I did originally I did a resonator and muffler delete, and after I did that, I put a catless downpipe when I was still in California, and then once I left there and I moved back here, I had to get it smog, so I ended up throwing the stock cat back on. It still sounds really good, so I don't know if I maybe lost some power or something like that, but it feels really torquey. I also had a K&N CPE upgrade on here to where I was running the HKS, and then I put a recirc valve and redid the plumbing for the intercooler, and this thing pulls hard. There's a damn Subaru next to me. Wonder if he'll try and pull on me. But anyways, yeah, so just some of the upgrades I did to this thing. This thing runs like a champ. Just been doing basic maintenance on it and stuff like that. So with a drift mode. You just kind of press a couple buttons and it puts it in a drift mode, and basically puts more power to the rear wheels. Subaru behind me. You don't want to get me from a dig, bro. You definitely don't want to do that. So yeah, just cruising around. It's a metropolitan area of Washington, D.C. I'm in Virginia, but it's a place called Centerville. Not really too big of a car scene in this area, but there's other areas around here where they hold like meets and stuff. I haven't really seen a meet here in Centerville, but it's mostly like in Sterling or Ashburn, some in Manassas, stuff like that. Third gear pull. Not like 2.5